Hello students, EMRC Usmania University proposes a MOOC's undergraduate course on Agrarian Sociology, which is a broad subfield of sociology. Sociology is a science of society, whereas Agrarian Sociology will be talking about agrarian culture, agrarian society, agrarian politics, agrarian economics, etc. This course examines the distinct substantia foci of rural sociology, which includes agriculture, the food system, social inequalities, the environment, globalization, internalization, development, community and demographic processes, and the conceptual perspectives that have been applied to understand these substantive topics. I request all the students to register for this course and make this course a success.